Hello, this is Ray Burke Spray Wash Exterior Cleaning, bringing you scenes from the cleaning of Bungalows by the Bay. Bungalows by the Bay is located on Highway 98 in the Big Bend area between Lanark Village and St. Teresa. It's a familiar sight to many residents of the area who travel to St. George Island from Tallahassee. This cleaning included removal of some salt grime, some road dirt from Highway 98, and an extensive rust removal on this project. We were actually dealing with two different rust issues at this project. One was a sprinkler rust from the groundwater, landscaping and irrigation, and the second type of rust we were removing was actually from a degradation of some of the building materials and flashings that were on this property. Each different type of removal has different process to follow through and uses a different technique. Projects such as this are our specialty at Spray Wash, and they really take a lot of planning, from tenant notices to property protection, taping up all the locks, the fire alarm systems. There's really a lot that goes into preparing and executing a project such as this. If you have a beachfront condo or a homeowners association or a condominium association, please give Spray Wash Exterior Cleaning a call. We're experts at this type of cleaning, and we'd be happy to prepare a custom quote for your project. We service the area of Tallahassee, St. George Island, St. Teresa, Apalachicola, and even down to Steinhatchee and Perry. Thank you so much for watching our project here, and if you ever have any questions regarding association or commercial cleaning, feel free to give us a call at Spray Wash Exterior Cleaning. We are your Tallahassee Big Bend cleaning experts.